What is drug metabolism process? So in concern to drugs, metabolism process is defined as it is a process by which the body alters the drug chemically into different compounds called as metabolites. So when any drug is given to the body convert or do a process called as metabolism process and convert this drug through this process in a water soluble form, that is water soluble metabolite. Now why it matters, why the metabolism process takes place? Because the body is willing to eliminate the drugs from the body. So for easy in elimination, the body will convert the drugs in a suitable water soluble compounds, that is metabolites, and it will remove the drugs from the body.
Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see a new topic called as drug metabolism. So here we are going to focus on different topics like what is the definition of drug metabolism, what is the importance of drug metabolism, then what are the different phases of drug metabolism, and which organ is important for drug metabolism. So we can see in this video.
Now, what is the purpose of metabolism, drug metabolism? The main purpose is detoxification, that is to make the drugs less toxic, and the second one is for easy in excretion, that is facilitates excretion, means it converts the drugs in the forms that can be easily eliminated through urine and bile. Then activation and inactivation, some drugs are available in the form of prodrugs, means they get activated only uh, when it is metabolized. When it is metabolized, they convert in the form of active form, and it will produce the therapeutic effect, that is called as prodrugs. Sites of metabolism. There are different organs which are involved in metabolism process. The main organ is liver, where the maximum portion is going to metabolize. That is, it is the primary site for the metabolism. Then intestine, first pass metabolism. Kidneys plays a minor role in metabolism process, and lungs for volatile compounds. Then that is inhalants. Then plasma. There are some important concepts in drug metabolism. The first one is bioavailability. So what is bioavailability? A proportion of a drug that enters the systemic circulation after administration and is able to have an active effect. Means when any drug is taken, the total quantity of the drug or the amount of the drug which is entering into the circulatory system or blood and can be able to produce the therapeutic effect. So it shows us that whole drug or how much the quantity of the drug which is administered, not all the drug will enter the systemic circulation or blood, means some amount of the drug is get wasted or will not reach the systemic circulation, especially in case of oral drugs which are administered through the oral route. In those cases, the whole drug or the total quantity of the drug will not reach the systemic circulation. Then second one is first pass effect. It is defined as when any drug is taken orally, it travels directly to the river by the help of a vein called as portal vein before the drug is reaching to the general circulation. Means when any drug is taken orally, it will directly reach to the liver by the help of a vein called as portal vein before it is reaching to the circulation. So during this first pass, the liver can metabolize a significant portion of the drug. Means a maximum portion of the drug is get metabolized before it is reaching to the systemic circulation. So this process is called as pre-systemic metabolism. Then third concept, that is drug and drug interactions, means when more than one drug is administered, what happens? These drugs may interfere with the metabolism of another drug. Means, for example, drug A and drug B are given simultaneously, so it may cause it may interfere in the metabolism. Means it may slow down the metabolism, or it may, for example, drug A is going to slow down the metabolism of drug B, or drug B or drug A may increase the metabolism of drug B. Means it is going to interfere in the metabolism of another drug. Then phases of drug metabolism. There are two phases of drug metabolism. The phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 is called as functionalization and phase 2 is called as conjugation. Let's see what happens in functionalization. So here there is an introduction of polar functional group to make the drugs more reactive. Polar functional group means what? So polar functional groups means the groups having unequal distribution of the charges. The groups having unequal distribution of the charges, they are called as polar functional groups. Here there are three types of reactions which are going to takes place in phase 1. The first one is oxidation, means there is an addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, or sometimes the reaction may be reduction, means the gain of hydrogen or loss of oxygen. Then hydrolysis, that is breakdown of this one water molecule. Then what happens in phase 2? Here it attaches water soluble molecule to increase the excretion. So here the drug is bonded or attached by water soluble compounds like glucuronidation. Glucuronidation means there is addition of glucuronic acid. And the next one is sulfation, means addition of sulfate group. Then glutathione conjugation, means here there is a attach or addition of glutathione. So the phase 1 example is there is a warfarin metabolism through oxidation by CYP enzymes. And here in the phase 2 example, acetaminophen metabolism through glucuronidation and sulfation.